inside the kit of Perst-4 aiming laser. My name is Anastasia, I am PR-director of Zenitco. Welcome to our new YouTube channel, Zenitco in English, where we will post unpackings, manuals and interesting facts about our products. What is Perst-4 aiming laser? It is a dual laser in visible and infrared spectrums. It has two modifications. The first one is Perst-4 red. It has red visible laser. The second one is Perst-4 green plus. It has green visible laser. What's the difference? First of all, the red one was the first to appear. The second one is that the green has a more strong laser. We didn't make green lasers before because there were no such lasers at the market that operated in low temperatures. In Russia it is important, especially in winter, to operate in low temperatures, and we started manufacturing Perst-4 with green laser as soon as a laser that could operate in temperatures up to -20 degrees Celsius appeared. But the red one is also very good, so it's up to you to choose. Another difference between green laser and red laser is that green laser is better seen by a naked eye in daytime. It's better to see yourselves. I turn them on. The kit of Perst-4 green and Perst-4 red is the same, so let's look what's inside the kit of Perst-4 green plus. I turn them off. First of all, we have a manual here. A manual is not only in Russian but in English as well, so we strongly recommend to read it before starting to use Perst-4. Then here is this wonderful metal cylinder, great design. It's one of those things that you never throw away, very useful in every household. Inside it we have a tactical switch KV5P. It has a safety lock from accidental turning on. It has a button and it has a brightness control switch. Also a Picatinny rail to put it on your rifle. And here is the body of Perst-4. It has a switch here. It is designed to switch between modes, so this letter that looks like number 3, it's actually Russian Z, which stands for zelený or green. It turns on the visible mode. I turn the button and the visible mode turns on. The other position is for infrared mode. These buttons change the brightness. It has a top button of turning on and a rear button of turning on. Also, if we need to change the battery, I unscrew this cap. It's very easy, you don't even need a screwdriver. Inside we have one battery CR123. Screw it back. Very easy, very comfortable. These caps are for adjusting the laser, so I unscrew one of them. The one is one for adjusting it vertically, the other one is for adjusting it horizontally. I unscrew the cap like this. Here we have this mechanism. I take a screwdriver or something like this and I adjust the laser. The great thing about Perst-4 aiming laser is that when you adjust its visible laser, the invisible one is adjusted automatically, so it is very comfortable, very convenient. This protective cap on the back of it is for switching it with a tactical switch. I connect it like this, very easy. I turn it on. It doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? Because it is in a safety mode. I press the button. Now I can operate the device using a tactical switch. I can turn it on. I can change brightness. I can change brightness both of the visible laser and of the infrared one. In the next video I will show you how to switch modes on the body of Perst-4 by a tactical switch and also by another tactical switch. You see it here, it is KV4/2. It was designed to work with Perst-4 aiming device and Perst-2 flashlight simultaneously. Perst-2 is a dual flashlight, also in visible and infrared modes. So when we work with Perst-4 and Perst-2 simultaneously, we have 4 in 2. We have infrared flashlight and infrared laser and visible flashlight and laser. So full set of things you may need. So stay connected, subscribe to our channel, also subscribe to our main channel Zenitco. I will leave a link below the video. There we have more professional videos with shootings, with demonstrating products. Most of them are in Russian, but they have English subtitles. To turn them on, you need to press settings button in the lower corner of the video. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.